It's from Leah and John and Caitlin and Maria. What's that?
It's
More trains.
More trains.
And this one is from Grammy. She just doesn't know it yet.
I just can't remember what she said. This is a pretty good birthday for you, isn't it? Yeah, no, Sophie will open it.
What is it?
It's an umbrella.
Umbrella. Is it raining today? Do you need to use it today?
No, not today.
Keep the sun off today.
Yeah, very nice.
It'll hold up. Just push it. That's it. Oh, now let's get a photo.